If you're looking to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Xbox One but aren't sure how, you're in the right place. While the Xbox One doesn't support Bluetooth audio directly, I'll show you a few workarounds to get your Bluetooth headphones connected. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that the Xbox One does not have native Bluetooth support for audio devices. However, you can still use your Bluetooth headphones with a couple of different methods. Let's start with the simplest method, using a Bluetooth transmitter. Here's what you'll need: a Bluetooth transmitter, an audio cable, and your Bluetooth headphones. Step 1. Plug the Bluetooth transmitter into the Xbox One controller. Most transmitters come with a 3.5mm audio jack that fits directly into the headphone port of the controller. Turn on the Bluetooth transmitter and put it into pairing mode. Refer to the transmitter's user manual for specific instructions on how to enter pairing mode. Put your Bluetooth headphones into pairing mode. Again, consult your headphones manual for how to do this. The Bluetooth transmitter should detect your headphones and pair with them. Once connected, you should be able to hear the Xbox One audio through your headphones. Now, if you want a more integrated solution, consider using a gaming headset designed for Xbox One that connects via USB or the 3.5mm jack. Many gaming headsets are designed to work seamlessly with Xbox consoles and provide both audio and microphone support. And that's it for today's guide. Hopefully these tips help you connect your Bluetooth headphones to your Xbox One. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.